and I am probably the happiest person tonight in this room. First, of course, because we have more than 400 UP Law alumni tonight here in Shangri-La. Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ako po si Dan Peruelo Calica. I am the Batch President of UP Law Class of 2000. Katangi-tangi, yan yung lahat ng mga graduates ng UP College of Law. Welcome po sa ating annual UP College of Law Grand Alumni Homecoming.
So, welcoming alumni, faculty, and students to the college, especially to the Office of the Dean, has been such an enormous honor in the past few weeks and months. And seeing you here has been such a source of quiet joy. If only I can get to know you and mention each one by name, I would have loved to do that.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm Chrissy Bautista. I'm the Vice President of the UP Law Class of 2000. Thank you sa pagdalo sa katangi-tangi limitless possibilities. Let's have fun and party tonight.
I would like to confess that the bracelet you're wearing tonight, you can bring them home. Yung tawag namin sa bracelet na yan, that's our katangi-tangi tanglao. Don't worry, it will bring you back, will bring you home to the UP College of Law. It will lead us to the proper path, rule of law, honor, excellence and service to the people.